Hey, it's your boy Waleed Talks Finance, and today we're going to be reviewing betatesting.com, and we're going to be checking out new ways to make some side hustle money on PayPal. So if you want to get into this, make sure you guys go down, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. Alright, so what is beta testing? Essentially what beta testing is reviewing platforms and making sure that everything works on their software and works on their software. We will be checking on Android devices, iOS devices, website, desktop, and tech products, and this is a trusted website. I'm going to leave the link in the description, betatesting.com. So it's helped over 1,500 companies such as New York Times, Musical.ly, and Xerox. This is real world testing. Every device, every platform, everywhere. So what we do is we go ahead and basically test out a feature and we get paid for it. You can make some good side hustle money, and I'm going to show you exactly how you go about to sign up. So essentially the tip is to generate feedback and data to improve their products. So you want to be as honest as possible and deliver to their experience. It could be anything from bug testing, from feedback to usability. Like for example, a test will be like, hey, what do you think of this layout? What do you think of that layout? And you will make sure that everything works fine. All right. You see over here are the customer reviews on this website. It's pretty trusted. It is a trusted website. And what you're going to do is once you go on the link in the description and you sign up, you will click on join as beta tester, but the link will bring you directly to this page. And what you'll do is you'll sign up with your email address. For example, let's do let me just sign up and show you the process. I'll sign up. I already have an account, but I'm gonna sign up with the new one to show you how it works. So essentially what you do is you test new apps, you complete tasks, and you get paid anywhere from 10, 20, if some even more per test, and they pay you via PayPal 7 days right after. So obviously this is, you have to, the requirements, or you have to be 18. You can speak and write in English fluent. It doesn't have to be country specific. There will be some prerequisites. Sometimes they will ask you like a screener, and what I recommend is multitasking beta testing website. So I'm gonna link in the description 2 videos that I made on trymyui.com and usertesting.com. Those are 2 other beta testing and user testing website that you should check it out and try. Essentially, it's better that you multitask and maximize as many as possible, because the thing is, you don't always receive opportunities. See, you may receive anywhere from 0 to 5 opportunities per month, but it's still some side income that you can make. So your payments are made via PayPal 7 days after the end of the project. This allows the product owner to review, rate, and approve your feedback. So it's essential that you do give valuable feedback. If you give valuable feedback, that is when you get more tests for you, and you can make more money. All right. Okay. So essentially, once you're there, once you enter in the email, what you'll do is you will put your password, your name, your first name, your TV model, your devices that you own, your Android phone, Windows, iPhone, iPad, your age, your male, your country, your time, zip code, education, household. So these are the information that you will put in. And after that, it will also say about you. You will fill in your about you section. And once you're in the platform, I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, these are the project section. So this is where you will receive projects. Okay, and this is where you would receive emails. Okay, this you will receive email notifications in your settings. So about you will receive a about you section. So there's a about you section, there's a payment section. So what you'll do is you'll fill up your name, your address, your city, and make sure that you verify your phone number and your PayPal email. Make sure that your PayPal, so it doesn't matter what email you sign up with, but at least in the payment section, make sure you have the correct PayPal email so that they pay you the right way. And you have your account balance, current balance 0. I will make another video. If you guys want me to make an updated video when I receive tests and how, let me know in the comments down below.